My name is Mehmet Hussain Hassan. Today in this video I'll talk about the countries with the cheapest electricity and gas. So at number 1 we have is Germany. It's actually number 2 because electricity is cheapest in the Qatar. And number 3 we have Denmark, and number 4 we have Belgium, and number 5 we have Portugal, number 6 Ireland, number 7 Japan, number 8 United Kingdom, Italy, Rwanda, Australia, Spain, New Zealand, France. So as many of you know, electricity is very essential to our lives. Without electricity we won't have running fridges, keep our food cold, keep our house running with essentials that are needed for us. And gas is also really important in our lives. Without gas we won't be able to cook food, have a barbecue party and everything. And so at this moment the country with the cheapest electricity and gas is Qatar. Qatar is known for having the cheapest electricity and gas. So now we will talk about what is the cheapest electricity in the world. Electricity prices by country. Also referred to as electricity tariffs of the price of electricity. Price of electricity can vary widely by country or locality within a country. Electricity prices are dependent on many factors such as price of power generation, and government taxes or subsidies, local weather patterns, transmission and distribution infrastructure, and a multi-tiered industry regulation. The pricing or tariffs can also differ depending on the customer base, typically by residential, commercial, industrial connections. This means electricity prices differ in some countries by commercial, and commercial means businesses, and industrial means factories. Residentials are the most expensive one because residentials is where people live, while commercial is where people work, and that's it. And industrial is the mass factories. Where factories consume a lot of energy, so their kilowatt per hour rate is really low. We're gonna talk about the rate structure. In standard regulated monopoly markets like the US, there are multi-level governance structures that set electricity prices. The rates are determined through regulatory process that is overseen by a public service commission. In addition, the Public Energy Regulatory Commission (FERC) oversees the wholesale market along with the interstate transmission of electricity. Public Service Commissions. PSC, which is also known as Public Utilities Commission. PUC regulates utility rates within each state. So now we will talk about the electricity prices per kilowatt hour in the country. So in America and Samoa, the price is 25.4 to 30. Argentina 0.4 kilowatts per hour. That's extremely cheap. Australia, it varies by state and the time of day. Peak, shoulder, off peak from 15 to 45 cents or 10.70 to 38.62 cents per kilowatt hour. Service availability charges of 0.95 Australian a day. Number 3 we have Bahrain. Number 4 we have Bangladesh. Number 5 Belarus. Number 6 Belgium. Number 7 Bhutan. Number 8 Brunei. Number 9 Bulgaria. Number 10 Brazil, Cambodia, Canada, Ontario, Canada, Quebec, China, Chile and stuff. United Arab Emirates is also known for having extremely cheap electricity. Electricity is actually really essential for us. Without electricity we won't have anything to live or do anything in our lives. Electricity is really needful and a blessing to us because without electricity we won't have running fridges, we won't have running lights, bulbs, we won't even have running electronics. We won't be able to charge our phones and everything. So, and it really depends on the country. Some countries due to corruption have a lot of bad electricity. Some countries even without any corruption who are currently in the break don't have good electricity. Take an example such as Pakistan. I'm from Pakistan. In Pakistan, we do get running electricity around, I guess, 15 hours a day, 12 hours a day. And when it doesn't come, we call it load shedding. Load shedding happens due to bad electricity infrastructure, bad dams that generate electricity. There is also a reason for electricity. So as I've said, Qatar has the cheapest electricity, while number two we have, I think, Germany. From there we have Denmark, Belarus, other stuff like that. This means that these countries have the cheapest electricity at this point. Thank you. Cheap electricity means a lot for these countries, such as Germany, Denmark, and stuff, because these countries they don't get access to electricity that much. That's why the electricity is pretty cheap. As for other countries, the cost for electricity costs are higher, and that means these countries get running electricity 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. That's why their rate is really expensive. As I've said before, electric well, some countries which have cheapest electricity also provide electricity through solar. As I've said, Qatar provides a lot of electricity that is cheap through solar energy. Solar energy is basically taking heat from the sun, converting it into energy. This is actually really good for the environment. It doesn't cause pollution, doesn't kill animals, and that's why Qatar has the cheapest. While Germany also does the same. And these countries, the reason they are cheap and they get 24 hours a day is because of the natural gases they have. And you can see some countries, they are heavily dependent on electrical mines and stuff, which make it really expensive for everyone to live there. While talking about gas is pretty much cheap anywhere, because the Middle East, or especially the Middle East, is blessed with electricity at this point. While gas at this point, and gas is really cheap there, because without gas you won't be able to cook foods, cook our favorite stuff and stuff. So that's why electricity is known to be cheap in these countries. That's why many people prefer to move to the Middle East, because the cost of living is cheap, the cost of basically everything is cheap at the moment. That's why everyone wants to move to the Middle East. While talking about the electricity and gas, well, as I've already told before, the electricity and gas prices in these countries are extremely cheap, because gas electricity do come out to be really cheap at the point, and that's why